Okay, tuloy natin yung ating pag-aaral. Air conditioning and ventilation system. So ito yung ating papag-aralan ngayon. Sabi dito, if a sample of unsaturated air containing a superheated vapor or water vapor is cooled at constant pressure, cooled at constant pressure, the PV of its constituents remain constant until the vapor reaches the saturated state as shown in figure. Ito yung figure. Okay? Reaches the saturated state as shown in point B. So, dito may sample, sample ng unsaturated air. So, ang unsaturated air daw ay nasa point A. Ito siya. So, this is temperature of TS diagram. Temperature to eh. Saka entropy is S, TS diagram. Papunta doon, lumalaki yan. Ayan na nga yung arrow. 0 yan dito. Umaangat. Parang ganun. Okay, so meron kang partial pressure na V, PV. Okay. Yung sample of air mo unsaturated, bakit nandito siya eh? Wala pa sa saturation line ng vapor. So, pinalamig siya. Okay. It is cooled at a constant pressure. Ito yung pressure na yun. Pinalamig. So, yung line niya ngayon, going down. Okay, it's going down like this. Until it reaches. So, may ano yan. May process yan. Pupunta siya rito. Hanggang sa yung line na yan ay nandito na siya. So, mapapansin mo, plot mo to rito. What is this? This is now your S sub G. Diba? Saturated gas. Saturated vapor. Entropy niya. Pag dito ka naman, okay, SF. Liquid. Okay. Liquid yan. SF or entropy ng liquid. At dito, entropy ng vapor at saturation line. Pero we're not interested with this right now. Sinasabi ko lang, at least alam nyo rin, and that serves as a reminder for us. So, pag na-reach niya yung point B, itong B, ito na yun, ito yung point na yun. Nasa saturation line ng water vapor. The first drop of dew will form, and hence the temperature at point B is called dew point temperature. Okay, pag na-reach niya ito, mayroon kang pressure, partial pressure ng water vapor line. Okay, nasa TS diagram ka. Extend mo yan dito para makuha mo yung temperature na to. Okay, ang tawag dyan, TSAT or dew point temperature is equal to TSAT. Ayan, kasi constant pressure line to eh. So, pag in-extend mo yan dyan, tuloy-tuloy hanggang dito sa temperature mo, may temperature ka dito makukuha. Okay. Sa TS diagram, ito sinimplify lang to para at least mapag-aralan natin. Doon sa mismong diagram niyan, okay, may mga value yan. Okay, so that is your dew point temperature. Further cooling will cause condensation of water vapor. Yan na yung sinasabi ko. Further cooling, so nandito ka na kasi. Pag kinul mo pa yan, dito yun ang direction mo. Eh ano tong region na to? This is liquid vapor region. May liquid dyan, at saka vapor. So, lalong dadami yung condensation mo habang pinapalamig mo. In other words, bumababa yung entropy ng water vapor. Habang bumababa, maraming nakukondensate. So, from the above, we see that dew point is the temperature at which water vapor begins to condense. So, yan yung pinupuntos niya. So, may note lang siya rito. For saturated air, the dry bulb temperature, wet bulb temperature, and dew point temperature is the same sa saturated air. Dito. Ito yun eh. Saturated yung air mo dito. So, dew point temperature, Tsat, diba? At saka yung dry bulb are the same. Ito. Dry Tsat. Okay? Dew point and is equal to Tsat. And or equal to wet bulb temperature. So, let's proceed further. Okay, yung statement na ito actually makikita mo rin ano. Yung sinasabi niya to, yung note niya, makikita mo yan sa psychrometric chart. Okay. Yan yung psychrometric chart. Okay, yan. Dito sa line na to. Itong line na to, pagka cooling ka sa psychrometric chart, pakaliwa. Ganon dito sa TS diagram, pakaliwa. Halimbawa, galing ka sa point na to. Diba? Ito ay, ano to eh, dry bulb temperature. Okay? So, ito yung sinasabi nating saturation line sa psychro. So, mayroon ka ring dry bulb dito. Pag pinlat mo, yung dry bulb mo, TDB, that point, diba, is equal to dew point. Nandiyan din yung dew point mo eh. Yan din yung wet bulb mo kasi yung wet bulb mo pag ganyan eh, wet bulb. Diba? TW. Ayan. So, equal sila. So, madaling makita yan sa psychrometric chart. Continue. So, yan na yun. Ito yung psychrometer, no? Psychrometer or sling psychrometer. So, ito na yung instrument. Yung dew point depression, bago ko makakalimutan. Yung dew point depression natin, it is the difference. Parang, I'm correct, parang nakita ko sa video natin na unang video, parang nasabi ko na I did something, slight mistake there. Yung dew point depression natin is equal to the difference of dry bulb and dew point temperature. It is the difference of the dry bulb temperature and dew point temperature. Yan yung dew point depression. Okay? So, ito yung definition niya. Huwag niyong kalimutan, very important. Baka magkamali tayo, no? Depression, ito ha, depression. Dew point depression, it is the difference between the dry bulb, mataas yung dry bulb, and dew point temperature. Yung dew point temperature doon nga sa ating, reka ko lang. Ito yung dew point temperature mo. Okay. It is equal to Tsat. Ngayon, kung sa TS diagram, kung sa psychrometric diagram ka, nandito yan. Okay, sa point na to. So, hindi siya dry bulb temperature. Siya ay dew point depression. Depression yan, okay? So, psychrometer, yan, psychrometric term sa ating pinapag-aralan, pero ngayon pupunta na tayong psychrometer. Ano ba yung psychrometer? Ito yun, sling psychrometer is thermometer na mayroong dry bulb thermometer. Ito yung dry bulb thermometer. May handle yan. Ito yung handle. Nasa loob ng glass. Ito yung wet bulb thermometer. Yung wet bulb thermometer, yung dulo niya. Ito yung dulo ng dry bulb thermometer. Dito, may cover na weighted wick. Weighted wick. Okay? So, basahin natin. There are many types of psychrometers, but the sling psychrometer as shown dito sa figure na to is widely used. Kaya yung madalas natin gamitin. Readily available yan. Meron din yan sa Pilipinas. Okay? It is consists of dry bulb thermometer and wet bulb thermometer mounted side by side in a protective case that is attached to the handle by swivel connection so that the case can be easily rotated. Naro-rotate yan. So, bakit? Para makuha mo yung pagka ni-rotate mo to, dito yan may ikot, ano? Para makakuha siya ng dry air. Matouch ng dulo niya yung air sa paligid. Thereby, makapag-register siya ng temperature. Okay? So, yan lang yan. Yan ang itsura niyan. And sabi pa rito, the dry bulb thermometer, itong dry bulb thermometer na to, directly exposed to air and measures the actual temperature of air. Okay, the bulb of the wet bulb thermometer is covered by the wick thoroughly wetted by distilled water. Distilled water. The temperature measured by the wick covered bulb of thermometer is temperature liquid water and the wetted and is called wet bulb temperature. Okay, so that's the psychrometer. Okay, and then the sling psychrometer is rotated in the air for approximately 1 minute. So, kapag kayo ay nagme-measure, dapat at least 1 minute minimum. Iikutin mo ng 1 minute ito. So, ginagamit ito pagka nagtitesting tayo. Testing commissioning ng mga aircon, gagamitin nyo yan. Okay, isa yan sa mga instrumentong kailangan. This process is repeated several times to assure that the lowest possible wet bulb temperature is recorded. So, at least 3 times siguro. At least mayroon kang tatlong reading. So, i-repeat mo, tapos trial number 1, trial number 2, trial number 3. You record each. Tapos, hanapin mo yung lowest wet bulb temperature recorded. Okay, that's for now. Thank you.